Which one was summer song right now?
What the summer song right now?
Yeah.
The summer song right now, I'm gonna give you the summer song is Alkaline. Gyal good.
Pussy clad. Red light, pepper light, go.
A few moments later.
Brother, I'm on the song. A bigger song. Hold up your hand for your pussy never shut up, man.
For when Gyal good, Gyal good?
Gyal good.
Brother, what's that?
Alkaline song are old from
You
the
call
thing
two
now.
selector, me call two selector.
You want that?
Do that.
Alright, cool.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Banka.
Ask a question as a selector. You ask him, Jake. I'm last.
which song are the biggest song for the summer? Alkaline, Gyal good or Armani, Wall Up?
For the summer?
Yeah.
We are going good.
Alkaline, dog.
Alright, cool.
You can't ask you that. Man can't DJ. We call it back. Hold on. In bias. We call it back. Hold on.
You remove your pussy wall and come down. Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Tell me, what do you think of the summer song?
Brother, I'm just telling you all about Alkaline and my body song, but what am I?
Gotcha, bitch.
You don't know what you truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So I think that about represent fully.
One, I don't know one Media Fox man here, you know. Yeah, man, no joke thing, man. Big up for the support, you know, over the year, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know all road to 5K subscriber. You see me? Yeah, man, the thing I go on good, man. Respect for the support, man. You see me? Yeah, man, big up. So, people, we see Jay Frey and Walkie Talkie. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know. Walk and talk kind of in feelings, you know. Yeah, man. You have up the feelings from about 13 years now. You see me? Yeah. Him link Alkaline and ask him for a little dub and him never get it. Run go back to DeMarco a ball. And way. You not give him a dub. I mean I'm feelings. You understand? But that's how it go. When people easily can get the access to you, yeah man, with disrespect. Once them not get it and them can't control you, yeah man, them diss you up. You see it? Yeah man. So we're gonna hear what them say. You see me?
It's like you're a Jeffrey. I'm a rascal here. Which one was summer song right now?
What the summer song right now?
Yeah.
The summer song right now, I'm gonna give you the summer song is Alkaline.
Gyal good. Pussy clad. Red light, pepper light, go. That's the summer song right now. No ask the final summer song. I've been a listen with that ears, yeah. Pussy. And the summer song that. The only summer right now, in a real life, Maldan Japa blood clot song, we are going good. Van Cleef.
But you not play.
Yeah, but otherwise right now, I part in them now. So you can side. But I see me, a money, I have a blood clot song out there.
So you said that song they get more than Gyal good?
Gyal good? You mean?
No.
You mean?
No.
Yo, Jano, you walk and talk. Bro, you see sometime you see in a life when you know rate a man, see it's cool. But you see when it comes to reality and facts, you have to just walk the road, MG. You understand? Because if you ask 99% of the people them right now, the Gyal good with them, they sang the big up Armani the same way. And Malidan. But you have to just understand the fact that, bro, Gyal good is that song, MG. I'm not talking about Jamaica alone, bro. You see me? We are talking about worldwide. UK, US, Canada. You understand? Gyal good. We see when Alkaline perform in these shows, wait though. When that drop, it go viral. Every time Alkaline do a show and sing Gyal good, it go viral. And we're not talking in Jamaica. You understand? The song them we are talking, I nah see them go viral, my G. You see me? They maybe are what people listen to, but they not reach the level with Gyal good, my G. You understand? That one an anthem song for the summer. When we say anthem, it have to play in a party. Gyal good, Alkaline Gyal good song, it have to play in a party. It's an anthem for the girl them. If you're there at the party and in a job Gyal good, trust me, I know nothing normal. You see me? But I know say walkie talking and I'm feeling, so I understand.
But
brunch. I got brunch.
You can't
I'm
go.
going to Zimbabwe River.
The people are sun out, that's why, man. Listen, man. That's about night time. Fuck you, with a nigga. Yo, brother. I'm on the song. A bigger song. Hold up your hand for your pussy never shut up, man.
When girl good, girl good?
Girl good, girl good, girl good. I think girl good, the song girl walk out them know. Come on, bro. If you ask me, if you come to the conversation, I'm going to say a friend from. I'm the jeans, I'm on it, yeah.
Alkaline song are only from
You call two selector, me call two selector.
You want that?
Do that.
Alright, cool. Banka.
Yo.
I'm there, me and Jeffrey when I read, right?
We're up on the podcast.
Yeah. May I ask you a question as a selector? You ask him, Jake, I'm last.
which song are the biggest song for the summer? Alkaline, Gyal Good or Armani? Hold up.
For the summer?
Yeah.
We are going good.
Alkaline, dog.
Alright, cool.
You can't see that. Man can't DJ. We call it back. Hold on. In my we call it back. Yeah.
Boy, me I tell you, dog. Me say, people, that's why I tell you one thing. You can't stop a human, you know. But you see music, you can't stop music. Remember me tell you that. So the man call a DJ. A man we are playing at a party. The DJ where they call, we know, I think, what name? Banker. See him? Him usually they run Alkaline. See him? At the end of the day, listening Banker, we see it evidently out there. Banker now if you say it. Remember, you know, them never did have a call no DJ if you know say Gyal Good is that song. Because we see it on the internet. Every time when you look me, if I know me and DJ Quest Time, all of them Instagram page there, I post when Alkaline do Gyal Good. You understand? So the DJ thing, we see it not really the only proof. But we don't know say walk and talk. You know want to hear that, you know. A different song you want to hear. But any DJ you see right now, and you ask them about Gyal Good and the next song, it no matter which song you use right now, a Gyal Good them a go say me G. Me know them a go bring up the Fambo thing, but me G, Fambo song are just a hot thing right now. And not even a song, it's just a little intro something. Bro, I will not see Fambo overseas. No bag, Fambo not get no bag of big bookings or nothing. I just Jamaica I get one little railway around the corner, a little pop-up thing and all of them little thing there. I don't know song that. You understand? I know song we can perform me G. As him done Pepper Light, that's it. Where am I go sing next? So that's not actually one song me G. That are just it's like a trending little, what do I call it? A trending thing like, but actually one little saying pepper spray and eye and all of them thing there. Yeah, it I go on with it little thing, but it's not a song. You see me? Yeah, I just one of them thing there.
What is Alkaline? Yeah, Banker, I understand you go work your job. It's different. We can call back somebody else. Yeah, I call back somebody else. Yeah, work your job. Alkaline will give back him job. We call somebody else. It's someone that miglate. Remember somebody don't miglate.
I'm asking a question. What makes it the summer song? Because the finals is this week, you know. The dream weekend and best weekend, you know. That will tell you what's the summer song, you know.
So them take a summer?
Yeah, that's what will tell you what the summer song.
Red like pepper like go.
Yeah, tell me, what do you think of the summer song?
Brother, I'm just telling you like Alkaline and my brother song, but my brother song, we see I go on good and I dance them to me. Hold up your hand. You see me I say? Otherwise we go to say now, Victory go on good too. So
Yo, me tell that brother all over the place, you know. Yeah, man. But that's why you gotta see it as it is.
Barclays are powered up. You see me?
Barclays risky, you know?
It's risky for you.
I want to get some free ticket on go.
Huh?
Free ticket on go.
You think you must go?
No, free ticket.
What? If you get a free ticket?
No, overall, I'm not selling a free ticket. Like in the show, where go?
Yeah.
I find you're going to sell a Beyonce show. I shall sell out free ticket. You can't sell email about that.
So, alright, so like I'm going to the days. You think you want to sell it? No?
I don't know yet. The Barclays wicked. Alright. The Barclays come like, the Barclays collect some crowd with hard for rock. You can't everybody. It's a club where you tell it's for Ram. Wait again?
Amazura.
Ram the door at the time, man. But the Barclays. The Barclays. I remember the Barclays, but you will do it. Depends on the ticket price. It's me I say, so you will do it. Me if I do them, because them some money more than that, you know. You will do it. We could see first. But it don't like make him know, say, it's a risky road. Because Jay keep on about coming and going there. But the bomb book claiming them one apart.
Yeah, me see about. Let me tell you, people. So when it comes to Masicka and the Barclays Center, anything is possible. You understand? It might have it iffy and there because, you know, Masicka don't have the mass when it comes to females. And you know, see, females really full up the party, them. Female are one of the biggest supporters when it comes to arenas and stadiums and events. You understand? And Masicka not have that type of, especially catalog, but if you say, yo, the woman them like that. So, as me say, anything possible. You see me? So, when that time they forward, we see what go on. As me say, I want him sell it out. You understand? Yeah. I know my artist, but he's a good artist, see me. You see me? He have some good song. We want him sell it out. You see me? Yeah. But you gotta have your little tweak there. So let's see. It's like our 2 weeks away. Basically. Yeah. Basically 2 weeks away left. You see me? So we're gonna see what going people.
So my camp, sister, take a look at them go for yourself, man. Really a mad man. You have to keep part of the man come to the dog. You think a joke? You think a joke to pussy Clara, really?
So you think alright, you see the thing with Alkaline now? When Alkaline did the Barclays, I think why am I more confident that him selling out the Barclays is because he have a fan base when I want to see him flop. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Like them have a show up for him just because. You understand what I'm saying? But me don't know if Masicka have that die-hearted fan base the way I got rep for him like, oh, Alkaline fans them would rep for him.
But you know what the funniest thing, people? Me not understand when the man them say, yo, show up for him because of flop. Wait there. Is the only new rules we ever keep when fans them not show up? Or me not understand. Like, what to the rest of the shows them? Alkaline fans always a show up. You understand? The youth just have an impact in a dancehall where a lot of people grow up and Masicka not really have that. You understand? He not really have that. But anything possible. You see it? Anything possible. We don't know. We have to just see. You see it? So, we know say Alkaline have the fan base. You see me? Masicka have fans, yes, but not to the level like how Alkaline have that type of fan base there. You see it? So, I just one of them thing the people. And one thing, Alkaline have more female fans more than Masicka. Because if you check Alkaline catalog when it comes to female, for example, a recent song, Gyal Good. You see me? We see where that I do right now. And for sure, you remember, them man a party every day, Seeing Jeffrey and Walk and Talk. Seeing? It's so surprising that we don't hear Slip and Slide in this conversation. You see what I try to tell you, sometimes when I talk and not understand, I just hype up certain things. When you realize, people, Gyal Good. Remember, them say Slip and Slide will come, but Sip and Side is not in that conversation. They might talk about Armani song, and they might talk about Malidan song, and they might talk about Alkaline Gyal Good. Where is Masicka Slip and Slide? Me tell you already, say over and over time, reality going to hit. You understand? So, let's see what go on, people.
We have to understand, look at Masicka. Valiant, no Valiant. Masicka, Alkaline. That's something about fan base and a bigger. Alkaline have a bigger fan base, have a bigger crowd where they are more influent. Like we can't really
More influence.
Influence.
Yeah.
So you can't go around that. Carrera. The truth is
Vibes Kortel, I know say the
People, say me see that video. This is a Gaza fan. Say more and more me realize I see why Vice Kortel say them they want a next Vice Kortel and them get one. Because I just don't know. Me feel like say them man just always have Alkaline on their mind. So the man, the man I read a poster, you don't know say Kortel bring back the building thing when they have, but the problem is what me hear people talk about is the price for going at the arena, the Jamaican National Arena, Water Stadium. I guess he might do a reopen or whatever, bring back, right? And the cost for going there are $5,000 pre-sold and $6,000 at the gate. And say average for going at clubs and them thing they and really that price are more like 15 bills if I listed or what you call it. Or if you just are going without list I want $2,000, $2,500. But for going at Kortel, the billboard building thing at 5,000, 6,000. So he might complain to Vice Kortel say, yo, Ray. But I don't know how Alkaline dropping at this. Remember I posted talk about Vice Kortel, Sometimes I wonder how them do it. This is the second time I see this billboard thing. Yeah, man. So I could go in a video and I could see what I want.
Front the still, bro. On the river, me want to go start the still. Nah, go around in bro. Remember from me a youth, me a say Gaza for free, bro. Is it? Yeah, bro. But when me see the building, the return of the building, and they take like 5,000 pre-sold, 6,000 at the gate, bro. Are you like me, bro? You shouldn't pressure the thing, so you know, cause by rights, you know. A VIP pass should have did it for me, cause I've been a Gaza throughout the years. You know?
Brother. So wait there. So you're the only Gaza fan exist. Because you say you're Gaza man over the years, you should get VIP and about. Me not understand me, G. It's like, you see, that's why I'm tell you, say, yo, you don't realize what I want, you don't know Vice Cartel, bro. You have to understand, say, bro, Vice Cartel don't really care about the low budget people. For example, the poor. Him not care, me, G. Him done showing with Freedom Street already, me, G. With them high cost a ticket, they tell me to do 50% off. You understand? You're supposed to use to that, brother. When it comes to Vice Cartel, don't look for no little chicken price. Him a go price, you know. The same fans them way down a town or whatsoever. Yeah, where you know can't to afford certain thing. Him a go price, you know, out me G. I know nothing new. So enough of they are ball. You see me? Yeah, man. You know see man a collect 1.5. What do you expect? You see me? Yeah, man. So nobody with the balling, man.
I mean, yeah, right through the incarcerated, you know. But then there's a free teacher, free world boss. You know what I mean? See outside, you know. Is it? And you can't stop rich. Although I now watch that still. You know what I mean? But it's a good look. But the price, my dog, I don't want to go up on the river side, but I have to postpone the river. Because I have to the end of the building, you know. Yeah, man. Still I wonder if you could have make alright, leave that alone, teacher, car. Alkaline is just a good water. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I'm not sure if artists. Vibes card.
People. Yo, that yo, Gaza father some different species to bombard. Man say, yo, love that. Alkaline is a good one. I don't know how Alkaline reaching at this when you say a poster say Vice Cartel return building. Me don't know how, but me understand. You know, just undercover fans, me G. I saw it go. You know, have to call Alkaline name when it comes to Vice Cartel, bro. You understand? Because he youth great. Cause imagine you there you talk about the price and every little thing. But the thing and you say, yo, we kind of price out and we don't know how Alkaline, cause you not see no Alkaline Pandy. Cause me know why I'm doing it. Basically, he must say, oh, make that stay, cause you know, you're a big artist. You see me, so that price there, yeah, you can't go on. But me don't know Alkaline job. It even make no sense. But I just say guys are fans them Alkaline are them artists, you see me? Yeah man, I just that. Them can't talk about them artists without Alkaline. I just one of them things, you see me? Yeah, and it make it place nice too. You see it? Yeah man, so you don't know Ambassador. You don't know, yeah man, I'm a G man. Check him out over TikTok there. Ambassador, you don't know. I wanna a vendetta fan them. You see me, wanna you them, you see it? Yeah man, a mad thing man.
Rush. Little boys don't want to be king. That's how man go anti do it. That's how real top artists go anti do it. Stop it from buckler, keeping bono want to be king and not king and this and that man. So king, a dancer go shell place. One vendetta here, straight no boy. So I told man about yo, the party thing here, party thing a dancer. Rush, border, run up when you're ready. We're there. Vendetta straight, no boy.
Ambassador easy, you know me tell you about that king thing there. But you don't know Ambassador that I'm a GC away, you see it, but Alkaline, I think Alkaline are pre no king thing right now. You see me, you see king thing water down right now, me G. You see me? Yeah man, left a king thing to Cartel, man. You see me? Yeah. But people, I don't know, say you know say footer hype forward out and tell Vice Cartel say yo, do this and beat me. Take off your glasses them, right? I don't know who, but me see the Gaza page them a post it. And I can't believe say the man them got AI the picture. Cause first of all, me G, we know Vice Cartel love posts. You understand? If you look on this, you know Vice Cartel have a bag of tattoo in her face. But in this photo, the tattoos are missing. So you're telling me Vice Cartel couldn't take him hand and just take off him glass easy. You know, have to go link AI for take off glasses. You understand? Bro, you can't make footer drown out in a dog. You understand? You never did have to do that, you know, bro. You see me, cause if Vice Cartel not take off him glasses, I don't know that, me G. You see me? Gone back to normal. You see me? It's just a thing where I use troll, but bro, for sure wanna say you're on a week, my G. You see me? You know have to go AI the thing. Can look on this. You can all you not see no tattoo in a man's face. No tattoo none there. When tattoo them in their face. You know see eye drops them. A lot of you can't believe say man them AI picture to bombard. But I saw it go still, me understand, you know. You know want a thing look away, but you never do for AI it, me G. You see me? Yeah man, never did have to do that, man. You see it? That's one of them thing there. So people, you don't know, me have to big up my vlogger friend. You see me? Kady official. Check her out on YouTube. Check her out on TikTok. She have a wonderful review and clippings. And I really want to know. Watch it. I go play it right now. I want to know tune in. Just go over our channel. Kady officials on YouTube. Yeah man, I want a vendetta girl them man. And over TikTok, same thing, Kady officials. You understand? Big up yourself, Kady. You don't know. People, see the clip here. You see me, I respect for the support. Yeah man.
Everything gonna make sense soon. Take a band-aid and put it over the wall. Tell them yellow moon. Well, hey. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, chat. My name is Kady. Welcome. Please do go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe. You don't know, become a member of the clan and join the family. Oh, it's so nice. I will talk about facts. You get me? But with that being said, one of the reasons why I started the video with that line from Fast, that line resonates a lot with what is going on in dancehall now. And as you see from the topic of the video, I do believe strongly, 10 toes down, that Alkaline was the sacrificial lamb for dancehall, or modern day dancehall. And I'm going to explain to you exactly why I say so. But before that, you don't know, like, share, and if you feel like somebody out there want to hear me have to say, you know, the message literally resonates with them, you can just share it to them. You don't know. They can man and beat things and so on. So, with that being said, make a jump in it. Alkaline. That little booby now you're right, so. I do believe strongly that is either one, Alkaline is a prophet and him channel his music and him foresee of what is going to happen within his music. He use the music as a channel to get his message across. Or two, is either him incline with the energy or he must study everything before him coming a dancer. Because if you can remember good, when him just forward in a dancer, people used to say, oh, the little blind boy, oh, him put him tattoo in my eyeball, what kind of idiot this, yada, blah, 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 blah. Those were the gatekeepers at the time. You know, the so-called people them here run dancehall, you know. Have dancehall and a gatekeep dancehall for themselves and them look a friend and them come along and basically who them put on, because they had to say so who is at and who is not. A lot of artists talent was stifled by these gatekeepers, and Alkaline saw this as a little juvenile come in and say, you know what, I respect everybody just the same, them there before me and them paved the way. I just do music and I do what I love. And you know, it never set aside, because at the time, growing up, at the time, I remember very well, because I grew up in a musically inclined yard. My big brother them a straight Buju Banton, Ninja Man, and you know Bounty and Beanie and them people. So I grew up in a yard where every Sunday, you don't know, soundbox put out the gospel and then coming down in the evening, you know, dancehall and so on and whatever. So I grew up with a lot of music, and I do understand what was happening at the time, and even becoming an adult now, I do understand that there was a lot of politics in that day and age in dancehall. So as a little boy now, as a 19-year-old Alkaline, you know, I'm coming in and I said, why we are getting dancehall a new change, a new era. You know, new era, no pun intended. A new era of dancehall, but that wasn't welcome. He got, and still is even getting, a lot of fight when he came out. I don't say he was dancehall protagonist and all the things them.
But just do what I want to do. Yeah, I just live my life and I enjoy my career. Yeah, and not cater for haters, no time. I think that's what attracts a lot of people. Yeah, a lot of persons want to be themselves or want to live their life and not matter what people want to say, and they can't do it. That's what I say. So them upset. Even the haters, them kind of upset. You know, wish we could have do certain things, you know. But I choose so and so and so and so. And them just see this young 20-year-old just do what I want to do. And them just bad mind. You see me? So I just say it go.
Him basically said the things them what people afraid to say because them afraid to say they might get backlash or the industry have a right them off or whatever. He was the sacrificial lamb for the nowadays youths can do what they want to do and show them say listen, you don't have to do it your way or you don't have to do it feed me or you don't have to do it fear way, but you can still do it your way and still get good results. You get me? And longevity. And that is the thing with modern day dancer. Some persons don't understand. And that is the thing with dancer overall. Music has longevity. And what make you think Alkaline music? Because remember the plaza people them don't tell us, you know. Alkaline fall off from 2016. However, that's a bunch of nonsense. Day and day you prove it. Like honestly, like Gaza people them you can't well it talking to a diehard Gaza fan is like talking to a brick wall. You're not going anywhere, but you know we're not gonna jump down in that. Alkaline I deal over yourself. As I said, throughout the years because they had found him the only person who could quote unquote stand up to them boss and them God at the time. He was the only person who was in that category to say, yo, man, like, you know, that youth are going with himself, you know. Yo, look how we have a machine. Alright then. Them start with the Brata thing. At first it was Brata, right? And growing up, going to school, I didn't know that it was a privilege, but I had the privilege of owning an Oxford dictionary. Apparently some persons don't know what a dictionary is, so them can look and research things for themselves. And it just literally feeds to the sarcastic thing that black people doesn't read. If you want to hide something from a black person, put it in a book. You literally have a dictionary in your house, and the word brata, them basically turn it in a derogatory term and spin it on with them want to spin it on, and through that no work, and them sister the people them even love him more. Ratty, them will call him you hear some man come, oh, them man don't respect people, and them go on like them about the system, and them go on like them this and them that, and throughout the years, the masses or whosoever run with it, them run with it. We don't really care about yourself, you know, but I'm just painting a picture. Throughout the years, people run with it and paint him as this antisocial and go like him better than people, and them man they weird, and them man they in them own little world, and they vendetta people them ray, and I've heard persons, even Jeffrey came out the other day and said he met Alkaline and it was totally not what the media and what he had expected, because when here.
With Alkaline them?
Yeah.
You know what's funny, we meet Alkaline them? I swear to God, cool dude. I swear to God, cool dude. Meet him and his sister, cool people, bro.
And that?
Yeah. Meet Alkaline, bro. Call on me. Just kind of sad. He's up on this. You see that? I'm not thinking, man. No, man, me. Meet the tall man.
Give me the razor.
Wait, I'll come. No, meet Alkaline for you, I swear to you. Meet Alkaline. And I swear, you don't know perception is an elevator. Give me the Alkaline. You know I use the word weird. I'm thinking he might be standoffish. You know, based on stories I'm hearing about him, I think he might in one corner of a guy smoke a spliff and just not say nothing. No, the man is cool, dude. I think he would have talk like weird too. Like he probably say, man, yeah, they make a music.
Same talk to you.
No, man, he say, I did. I'm saying, there, no, young man, I say, you're mercy, with the thing. I say, me, I can't love you.
Lie at you.
I can't love you. No, I said that. At first, I thought him sister, sweet lady.
Yeah, scary.
Sweet lady.
Okay.
So I said, like, real, genuine conversation. Me and I have like a back and forth with certain things I would disagree with. But a conversation could I have, and she invited me to the show Miami. No, I can't go to that show. You know, but she invited me.
Me pass man, now go over.
She invited me to the show at Miami. We go to Mr. Polton, did that too. And then I chat to Alka. Me and Alka conversation wasn't long, but just there I show him, say, yo, you know, we have enough neutrals, and I say, yo, I mean, I tell him, say, the media, if you not really watch something in the entirety, you just see a clip and things say, the clip tell the whole story, you see me? Mm-hmm. And man, just reason for that could be like 5-10 minutes. Me, G go too. You see me? Yeah, cool people.
And with that being said, I'm just like, here's the can't carry a quote. Imagine, it would have come like you live in our community, right? and you don't know this person, you never spoken to this person before, but you know to a person can't get to you, them fabricate all kind of lie. Oh, that girl she want like she this, but me here she that, and that boy them this and them that, and you don't know nothing about the person. But in your narrow-minded head, you have to say something bad about the person because you don't know nothing about them. And we see this time and time and time again. Mind you, Alkaline did a show over Antigua this past weekend, and it's shell. Like, me literally see clippings that go viral. You don't know anything what Alkaline does, it go viral. You don't know, he's just that guy. Whether you hate him or you not like, what? Yeah, it's just that guy. And mind you, if you see the young youth, them like the young dancehall, the youth generation of dancehall, I pay him homage. Like Skipper.
One click on the roof gone. Read a comment and move on. Can make you bag a fuck with them, just get a new band. New skull and a new song. The more they pull me down, but I'm come with a new song. I like full, and anytime on frost, even like.
You don't know one of the baddest girls that's doing this, and I say, yo, Ray, that for sure you say love is in dancehall, but the old head them, brother. The old head them continuously. Well, I'm pumping it like them and say, yo, no, but you get this, no, but you get this, blood, sweat and tears. Like, bro, everything is a season, and some people doesn't understand that your time is up. It literally says it in the Bible. And if you're not a biblical person, you know, the climate, the weather literally changes every season. With everything comes a season. You get your turn, it's time now for pass on the button to somebody else, a younger generation. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to disrespect anybody of a certain age, but I'm just saying, it's a thing, and not only in dancehall, I see, if you're working somewhere, you know, as a young person, you just get the look of work and you say, boy, you know, you get an opportunity and you're going to make use of it. You go there, and you see somebody who could have been your mother or your father, well in them 60s, approaching 70s, been outdo retirement age and still hang on for dear life, and them a fight against you with just a corner. Can you imagine somebody who could have literally be your grandparents a fight you out of a position that they've been in for the past 40, 50 years? Are the height of crosses that, you know?
Stop it. Get some help.
Like, just think about it. You've been there almost 5 decades, bro. What are you still holding on? Where you will and this is happening in Parliament. Now give the young people them a chance, them still a will because them a forget the most and the biggest bank book and the biggest house and the biggest car and the biggest this. Them now give the little young people them a chance. Make we do something with it. Even for teach we as alright then, I did it this way. You can still use this formula but in your style and replicate it in a success. You don't have to do it like me, but this was how I did it and it worked for me. You can try this method or you can try your method and put a spin on it. Growing up, I thought that it's each one teach one. But me get to understand that most of the senior citizens them, no one disrespect nobody in that way, but most of the older generation, them not like young people. Like, I know how I fought make on a band before on the time. You get me? You had your turn. You had your turn. You do what you have to do with your turn. If you never do with it, and my fault that and my time now. And some people in a dancehall do not get that memo. Still holding on. Still holding on for dear life. And it is honestly embarrassing. It is honestly embarrassing. I just wish like them children and them grandchildren and even people with around them could have just take them phone and just slide it down and turn on airplane mode, or because you can still use the phone, internet on airplane mode, change your passcode, change your password after Wi-Fi. You get me? Because it is honestly embarrassing just to stay relevant. Like, give the young people a chance. And this is why I said Alkaline was one of the biggest sacrifice in dancehall. You hear some man talk about, oh, we get fight, our broke down system. You don't know what kind of system they talk about, because they had to pledge their allegiance with a certain quote-unquote camp, forget that momentum going, and see them get the momentum. And I honestly do not know what where they are now, but you know, we're not too rare, because as I said before, everything take a little time, as I'm an artist say. But I'm just saying, Alkaline did no such thing. And for no say, as well the Plaza people them saying, fall out from 2016, and 10 years later we are in 2026. Him still a sell out show, him still a get key for the city, him still a get acknowledgement. Every day when I walk out the road, if you hear Alkaline song on the radio, in a bus, in a car, at a bar, once your scroll is something concerning Alkaline. So it nah make no sense. It honestly not make no sense. It is giving bad mind and utter jealousy, and I honestly find it disgusting. And for no say Alkaline went to it for make the younger youths them can know say, yo, me can do it without a kiss the ring or bow down to a certain set of people. Because with that being said, listen, I'm a 90s baby. I grew up in the early 2000s. When I was going to primary school in 2007, that was the whole Gully and Gaza thing. My brothers, as I said, they were more leaning to the Movado side of it. And you know them time now I will look at MP3 and we look at iPad, so me can listen to the lyrics and decipher for myself. Me can pick sense out of nonsense. And to tell you the truth, not because my brothers said Gully, me I go jump and say Gully. Me I go listen to the music, you know what resonated with me, that was the side I was on. And I'm not gonna lie, I was a Gully girl and still respect my father to this day. Certain things that he has done recently, he kind of but me I say, you know what, everybody grow and bygones to bygones, but you know, but transitioning now, growing up, when me I hear about this brother Alkaline, me I say, that you have a different style. You know, as a teenager growing up and hearing new music, a new style, a new twist to it, me I say, okay, I fuck with this. And then for no say, yo, him never, because at the time it was four, I would say 4 camps in dancehall. You did have Spragabins and Assassin, right? Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, Warlord, whatever, Bongard. And then 4th, after that now, you did have Kortel and Movado. If you wasn't an acquaintance from any of these 4 camps, you couldn't make it in a dancehall. And that a facts. All you with a mother, you couldn't make it in a dancehall. You would have the iron balloon settings, you could have bad till you blew. You couldn't make it because they had a choke hole and dancehall, and Alkaline just kick off every blood clot thing and say, yo, I want to know. A new rules, a new settings, new era, young people time now, and that's why he's so demanding and so yo, like honestly, goosebumps are full of my body, brother. Like me I talk about it and me I just try my best to find the words to explain, because that you him get fight from all both, and because certain people say the game I left them and are like literally a go left them I try jump on back on the bandwagon wearing them did about out Alkaline at first, because I remembered as a Vendetta fan, I do not forget nothing. I may forgive, but I will never forget. Everybody with disrespect Alkaline, me remember. Right as a baby love. I remember when Beanie Man said this.
Have you ever contributed to that crab in a barrel mentality? Did you fight against other DJs too?
No, me have defend myself. Never fight against an artist. I defend myself.
Alkaline, and now I don't show Jamaican, say I'm done with dirty Jamaican, now I'm go back home. just want to know what that himself and mom. Okay? And on the safe one, I say, whoa, that's a mistake. I just want to.
And him burn him out, and him burn him out, and him burn him out, and him only for say him and give him praises. Even recently, at up to the line back in March, he was at his show. And me I say, Jaja, you were young once. Put yourself in the position. You were young once. You used to get fight, but you prevail and you make it. So why are you giving a newer generation such a hard time? You should have been there for say, boy, listen, give him grace. Make him go and do anything, man. Him young, he might grow, you don't know him hungry for the thing. Make him do anything and watch him. No. Just we are no longer the main topic again. You have to body out and make them know say, wait. Like, bro, listen. Alkaline. How does it feel to be the big man in dancehall? I heard the music. Yo, listen. Alkaline, you are the new. You know I'm being a king, but you are currently raising the bar. No pun intended. They don't know no pussy taste. NPT, you are literally raising the bar for these people and continue having your foot on their necks.